Hi guys, a long time no voiceover. My name is Priscilla, just in case you're new here. In today's video, I am going to be taking you guys on my shower or skincare low budget routine. So first of all, I start by washing my hair. Apparently, I don't wash my hair every day, so just because of today's video, I decided to wash my hair. I use a shampoo and a conditioner, and it has really been working great for my hair. I cut his hair since 3 months ago, and the growth has been massively impressive. After washing the hair, we start with the men body wash. So I use this soap. Is it Vista or what? I don't remember, but this soap has really been working great for me because I'm that kind of person that has a very reactive skin. So my skin reacts to every damn thing. But with this soap, excuse, this is not sponsored. But this soap has really been working. I've been using it for like 3 months now, and I have seen a great change in my skin. So let me put this disclaimer. I am not a skin expert. This is what really works for me, and I decided to share it with you guys. Next, I use this body scrub that has been really amazing. It has been working really hard for me. If I can find it link, I will leave it in the description, but if you didn't see it in the description, then know that I wasn't able to get it. So next, I use this till now I still don't know what the name of this is. I call it sponge, so I just apply it on it and use it to scrub my body because I feel like this thing enters the inner carcass. It takes the body scrub to the inner carcass for efficient, effective, and I scrub it from my neck to my toes. I don't know if that's right, but this is what works for me. For my face, I use this random face wash, and I don't know what, it has just been so good. I told you guys that this is budget friendly. Just go to the market, get something that works for you, dear. Don't break your back. Look good by what is it called? Look good on budget. After the bath, I go straight to do my skincare. For my face, I use this triple action cream that has been working so great for me because I have a very reactive face, even though I have a pimple-free face, but it has really been working. It has been helping my face to get smoothened the more. I also apply this leave-in conditioner on my hair. Next, I use this awesome face cream. I also just like applying the sunscreen because it helps in moisturizing my face, and for someone that has a very dry skin, it has really been working so well for me. And for my lotion, I use this Wear Known Blue Seal Vaseline. I know I just like using Vaseline because I have a very dry skin. So applying lotion on my skin will kind of that means I will spend millions of money on my skin every month. So that's why I settled for this Vaseline, not because of the amount, but because of what my skin needs. And for my lips, I use this Wear Viral Known lip gloss. It just helps to keep my lips nice, and that's all that matters. And that's it for this video, guys. So this is what works out for my skin, even though I am not a skin expert, but this has been really working great for me. Let me also know in the comment section what works for your skin, because what works for me might not be what works for you. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe, leave us a beautiful comment, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.